Hi, this is Vasri from AtHome. Today let us see some problems on in the lesson circles with tangents. So here is a question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeters such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. So let us first draw the diagram. So actually a circle is circumscribed, right? So the triangle, by a triangle, so the triangle should come outside the circle such that all the sides of this triangle touches the circle, okay? And they say that the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. So here I have taken a circle with center O, and so the radius is 4 centimeters, right? Okay, so I can say that this is 4 centimeters. The segments BD and DC into which BC is divided. That is the side BC is divided into BD and DC, right? And the lengths are given as 8 centimeters. BD is 8 centimeters and this one is 6 centimeters respectively. Okay, fine. That is also marked. Now you need to find the side AB and AC. Okay. For this what I have done is, first I just drew a line. I divided this triangle, okay, the whole triangle ABC into 3 portions. So, so it would be like, AOB, triangle AOB, triangle BOC, triangle AOC. Okay, I divided that into 3 triangles. And then I just found the height of each triangle. So the height would be the radius, right? So here from for AOB, the height would be OE, and that is 4 centimeter. We know the measure, right? It is 4 centimeters. And for BOC, it is OD. The height is OD, and that also I have already marked it as 4 centimeters. And for this triangle, this side triangle AOC, the radius is your height, right? So this is also 4 centimeters. So this is what is given. You need to find the side AB and BC. So let us first fill in all that we know in this triangle, okay? Since B is an exterior point, okay, it is a point outside the circle, and BE and BD seems to be like the tangents, right? So these two are equal. So since this is 8 centimeters, I take BE also as 8 centimeters, okay? Similarly, this CD and CF are the tangents. So since the CD is given, I have taken CF also as 6, okay? And here AE, let me mark this, these two are equal as they are the tangents, right? Similarly, these two lines, that is AE is equal to AF, because A is an exterior angle for the circle and the tangents, right? AE and AF. So here, since we don't know the values, I just take it as X here, and here also let me take the unknown value as X, okay? See, first you have to find out what is X. Only then you can know what is AB, right? Because 8 plus X will give you the AB and 6 plus X will give you the AC. So first we need to find the value of X. For that what I do is I use the area formula and I say area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle, the 3 triangles, right? You need to sum up all the 3 triangles you have divided that into. So this would be triangle AOB plus area of triangle AOC, right? Plus area of the triangle BOC. Now, so if I add up all these small triangles, the area of these small triangles, 3 triangles, I can get the area of the whole triangle, okay? So for area of a triangle, the formula I am going to use, because we are not sure whether the sides are equal, or we don't know whether it is an equilateral triangle or isosceles or scalene triangle. So I just take it as a scalene triangle, and for the formula for the scalene triangle is square root of, this is very familiar to all, we have learned it in smaller classes, so that is s times s minus a times s minus b, right, times s minus c. I cannot take half bh because we don't know the height. Okay, so I just take this formula here on my left, and the area of triangle AOB will be half. Okay, just look at that triangle. It is half. Where is AOB? This one, right? So this would be half base is AB times OE. Okay, I'll just write that, half AB times OE. Okay, plus here again area of AOC will be half times AC times OF, right? The height of that is OF. Just look at the diagram, you will understand what I am writing. So now we are going to do BOC, this triangle, this small triangle. So the base is BC and the height is OD, right? So that will be half times BC times OD, okay? Now let us find out what is S. I do the value, because you know what is S for a scalene triangle? S will be sum of all sides divided by 2, right? So I write that here, S equals A plus B plus C over 2. So here your S would be, your A is 8 plus 6, 14, plus B is x plus 6, and C is x plus 8, right? The three sides of the triangle, big triangle, divided by 2. So that would give me 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 8 is 28, 28 divided by, 28 plus 2x, you have the 2x, right? X plus x is 2x divided by 2. So that implies your S is equal to, divide the 28 by 2, it's 14, plus 2x also you can divide by 2, and that is x. So you got your S as this. Now coming back to the problem, let us substitute the values which we know here, okay? So this would be square root of S. S is 14 minus x, okay, times S minus A. S is 14 minus x minus A. A is what here? It is 14, right? Minus 14. Good. So then you have S minus B. S is 14 minus x, and the B here is 6 plus x. So I subtract, so that becomes minus 6 and minus x, right? Times again S minus C. Your S is 14 minus x, then your C is 8 plus x. So when you subtract it, it becomes minus 8 and minus x. Did you get this? Okay, I just substituted the values, and here let me take the half common out. Okay, so I will have AB times OE. AB is, already I told you, AB is nothing but 8 plus x, right? So that's 4 times 8 plus x, plus AC times OF. OF is again 4. So 4, and what is AC? AC is 6 plus x. So 4 times 6 plus x, right? And here it is, half is gone out. You have BC plus OD. BC is 14 and OD is 4. So I just do 4 times 14. Okay? Yeah, this is done. Now here let us put this, simplify this side. So this would be square root of 14 minus x. I write it as it is, 14 minus x here. And you find that the 14 and 14 will get cancelled here, right? Oh sorry, this is not 14 minus x, it is 14 plus x. So just make the change here. I've just taken everywhere as 14 minus x, it is 14 plus x, okay? Yeah. Now you have just x left, okay, for the second one. And here your x will get cancelled. So you will be left with 14 minus 6 is 8, okay? Times, here again your x will get cancelled, 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay, so this one is done. Equals, here you can take the half and even the 4 I can take out, I guess. Okay, because you have 4 everywhere, right? I've taken that out. So you're left with 8 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 14. Okay, this 4 will get cancelled here and it becomes 2 now. This is equal to 48x times 14 minus x, right? Equals this side, it is 2 times, within the brackets it is 28 plus 2x. So the 48, if I can take the square root out, it would be like, I can take 16 times 3 is 48, right? For the 16 I can take the 4 out and you have square root. Here you have 3x times 14 plus x. Okay, here it is twice. You can take the 2 out again. So I take the 2 out. I'll be left with 14. The common factor you can take out, okay? So dividing throughout by 4, you will be left with square root of 3x times 14 plus x equals, here the 4 goes because you're dividing throughout by 4, you will be left with 14 plus x, okay? Now let us squaring both sides. Let us square both sides. Because I just want to get rid of the square root on my left. We get this side, the square root will go, right? So that is 3x times 14 plus x equals 14 plus x, right? The whole square here. Okay. Now I can divide throughout by 14 plus x, right? Divide by 14 plus x. So this side I am left with 3x equals 14 plus x, right? And this would be like 2x equals 14 and your x is equal to 7. Okay. We got the value of x now by solving this. Now you can say what is your AB, right? So therefore your AB equals, AB you have taken it as x plus 8. So that's 7 plus 8, which is equal to 14. Whatever they have given you is centimeters, right? Write the same centimeter. 14 centimeters. And your AC is equal to x plus 6. So that is equal to 7 plus 6, 13 centimeters. So we are done with this problem. It is very simple. We are just finding out the area of the whole triangle on your left side using the isosceles formula. And this side I just break up the full ABC triangle into 3 small triangles and I found the area of each triangle and summed up. For that I used half base times height formula. Then I summed up all this and then I equated and I solved for x. Okay. After getting x, you can find out what is your AB and AC. Here is another problem for you. If tangents TP and TQ to a circle with center at O are inclined to each other at 80-degree angle, find out what is angle POT, right? Now you have the tangents TP and TQ. Okay, these are the tangents, and you know from a point outside the circle, the tangents, the two tangents drawn are equal in length, right? So your TP is equal to TQ, that you already know. You need to find out what is POT. Okay, POT in the sense you have to draw a line here, and this is what you need to find. So let us take it as x. Okay, you're going to find x. Angle T is given as 80 degree. Okay, this is 80 degrees. Let me take the triangle, the two triangles in triangle POT. Okay, one is POT and another one is QOT. In triangle this, since you know that the tangents are similar, I can say TP is equal to TQ, right? Because they are the tangents. Okay, so that is equal. And you find that OP and OQ are also equal, right? Because they are the radii. So I would say OP is equal to, this is because they are the radii of the circle. Okay. You have OT. The side OT is common to both, right? So that is common side. So you know that triangle POT is congruent to QOT by SSS criteria. Okay. So now we have got that these two triangles are congruent. You know the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles, right? So I would say this angle is equal to this. Okay. This implies angle PTO is equal to angle QTO by CPCT. Okay. So I can say that this angle would be 40 and this angle would be 40, right? So these both are equal to 40. Okay. Divide the 80 equally. In triangle POT, angle PTO is equal to 80 divided by 2, that's 40. Okay. And also we know that the tangent and the radius will make 90 degree, right? So I can write that TPO, angle TPO is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle POT will be equal to 180 minus 90 plus 40, right? So this will be 180 minus 130. Therefore angle POT is equal to 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.